Today I will be doing a string art on this ply block. Now let's see the ingredients. We will need 2 black crochet thread, 1 white crochet thread, 1 yellow crochet thread and another yellow crochet thread which have a bit of a orangey undertone, and 1 red crochet thread, and I am using this company's red crochet thread and I have got all these products from the local store. Next is I will be using these half cut pearls in 2 size. After that I have a 1-inch nail and I have got 200 grams of these nails. Next I will be using a beautiful white lace. Then I have these 3 acrylic colors. I will not use the sponge applicator, but instead of this I will be using a flat brush, a knife, scissor, 2 hanging pins to hang this beautiful piece of art, a hammer, a tape and some bended pins that have these kind of sharp edges. I've got 6 pieces of these. Let's start the project by coloring it with the 3 acrylic colors. This is the brush I was telling you about, and now enjoy the colors. I have colored both the sides of the ply like this and left it to dry for about 2 hours. Now I will be using a picture that I have drawn by my own. I will place the nails on these dots and hammer it down. This is how it turned. Now string time, so enjoy! it turned so cute, right? So now the base needs some shine, so I will be using this quilling shine. As you can see, it turned so shiny. This step is also optional. If you want to keep it matte, you can keep it like that also. Time for some decoration. A quick tip about this glue is you can use any kind of glue. You can use a glue gun also, but this glue is magic because it dries within a second. We will place the hooks so that it becomes a key ring holder. So I'm done with the hooks and the hanging pins also. I will finish it off with attaching the lace. This is how it turned out. I think it is very cute, and the little baby elephant is so cute.
Thanks for watching till the end. If you liked the video, then do hit that big fat thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too. But do share your comments and where should I improve in the comment section below. I will upload videos every Friday. So if you want to see this kind of DIYs and interesting and recycling videos, then do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it, so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.